Hey guys, I'm back again, video number 5. You are halfway through your new consultant training. In this video, we are going to talk about Sensational Start, your Shooting Star, all of those other Fast Start awards that I have not touched on, as well as different ways you can be recognized by Scentsy at some of our awesome events. So let's check that out. All right, guys, we have already discussed some of the Shooting Star items you can earn in your first 15 days. That the Shooting Star is your very first Fast Start award you can earn. Now you have a 70-day award you can earn. Now I don't want you to focus on that 70th day, but I am going to be showing it to you so you can keep it in mind. I'm also going to discuss other things that you can be recognized and events as well. So let's start with the Shooting Star. On the right page. So this is also the new consultant guide, which you would have gotten in your kit. So if you want to have it handy, you can go grab that. So the Shooting Star Award, you sell at least 500 personal retail volume, PRV, within your first 15 days, and you earn the Shooting Star Award. You'll get either a pin or a charm, whichever one you choose, and you have the ability to buy the Shooting Star Enhancement Kit. So this is the kit. It has some amazing things that you can get for way cheaper. So this is only $200. It's worth well more than $200, and you get paid when you buy it. So it's actually going to be less when you get your paycheck. So this is a great way to add to your business for your display, or if you're wanting to do events. So after this Shooting Star Award, your second Fast Start Award is the Sensational Start Award. You have 3 levels. In the first level, you sell 1500 PRV or 500 PRV, and you sponsor one new personal enrolled consultant who hits 200 PRV, also known as being active. What you will earn is $50 product credit, which product credit can be used in the consultant store or on product. Sensational Start Level 1 lapel pin or charm, whichever you had chosen. Level 2, 3000 PRV or 1500 PRV, and one new personally enrolled consultant who hits 200 PRV. Then you would earn 125 product credit in the lapel pin and these over here. Also, don't forget to complete your first things first checklist on your workstation so you can make sure you get these product credits. Sell at least 6,000 PRV for level 3, or you sell 3,000 PRV and enroll 2 new consultants who are active and hit 200 PRV. Then you're going to earn $225 in product credit. You will get all 3 of these pins. You will get the certificate. This warmer, I'm going to tell you right now, is absolutely gorgeous, and even more gorgeous in person, and then the award as well. So what also you get with the Sensational Start Award and the Shooting Star Award, you get a ribbon. And what are ribbons? They go on your name tag at our main convention, and those are your bragging rights. Also, with you earn Sensational Start Award, you get to walk across the stage at Scentsy Family Reunion, that main convention, and be recognized. These are very far in between, very little bit percentage is what I'm trying to say. Consultants earn this, and it is absolutely an amazing accomplishment. But I'm going to tell you right now, it is okay if you don't hit Fast Start Awards. Try your hardest, but it's okay, because as long as you give 100% of you, that is all that counts. Because I'm going to tell you right now, I have been selling Scentsy for over 8 years. I did not earn Shooting Star. I did not earn Sensational Start. And I have earned many incentive trips, which we'll talk about later. So do not kick yourself down if you don't earn Fast Start awards, because it's only what keeps you going that makes you successful. Because we're not going to worry about yesterday. We're going to plan for tomorrow. So we have some other awards you can earn after you join Scentsy. Right here we have one of our monthly sales bonuses. So if you earn the monthly sales award every time you hit 2,000 PRV in any month, and you get a 5% bonus. That is a guaranteed $600 paycheck minimum if you sell 2,000 PRV within 1 month. So that is absolutely an amazing accomplishment. So if you ever hit this, you're going to love that bonus, and you should pat yourself on your back because you can absolutely do it. So another one we have is the Annual Mentor Award. So that is our Scentsy year is May through April. This is when you enroll 14 or more new consultants who achieve the title Certified Consultant or higher during the qualified period May through April. So you're going to get a cash bonus with that. The other one is our Annual Sales Award. That is when you sell 30,000 PRV within that May through April year time frame. And the $1,000 bonus that comes with that is absolutely amazing. You'll also get one of the award you see right here, and a certificate that actually gets like framed similar to a plaque. So these are just some of the things that you can earn as a consultant. You'll also get ribbons and recognition at our Scentsy Family Reunion as well. So last thing I'm going to touch on is incentive trips. They are so much fun. And the way we earn them is we have a summer incentive and a winter incentive. The winter one is usually that big one that gets you to earn that all expenses paid trip, sometimes for one or more, depending on what the qualifications are. But our summer one has been from March through June, from April through July. It's somewhere in that time frame during the spring summer catalog. That one is geared more towards shopping sprees, gift cards, product credit, warmers. We've even gotten points towards our winter incentive as well. So both of them are fun. Both of them are obtainable. Do not tell yourself that you cannot reach any of these incentives. Our incentives are actually geared towards new consultants because you get points when you promote. Every time you promote. So if you promote, say 2 to 3 times during our winter incentive, you're going to get promotion points for each level that you hit. And that just, your chances go way up of earning that incentive. So do not tell yourself that you cannot earn an incentive. Also, if you've sponsored someone, when your frontline also promotes, you'll get points for their promotion towards the incentive. All right, so that's all I have for video 5. So I'll see you in video 6.